معاه. ثانك يو لالا.
Helsinki, I love your energy. Make some noise for yourself. Right now we're gonna bring. I'll let you do this one. Okay, it's his first time coming to Finland. Make sure you guys show him some love. One last time, Sultan. Sultan. Give out to the one and only, my boy, my brother. This is the reason why we're here tonight. Give it up to DJ Zamir. We're inviting us. Last night it was a crazy night. Tonight, trust me, we didn't even start it yet. Yeah. Watch out for the after party. Watch out for the after party. Let's go. Okay. Sultan. One more time. Zamir has been going around your countries. So I want you to guys, on the count of 1, 2, 3, everybody in this building, I mean everybody, to make some noise for these two brothers right here. 1, 2, 3, make some noise! Okay, how we doing? Let's go. Okay.